Welcome, boys, to e-learning, Standard 10, Science 2, Chapter 9, Social Health. In the lower classes, you have learned what health is. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely absence of disease or infirmity, meaning physical and mental weakness due to old age. We now begin the chapter by trying to learn the definition of social health. Social health is the ability of a person to establish relationship with other persons. Ability to change one's own behavior according to changing social conditions is an important characteristic of social health. Now, what are the factors essential for good social health? Number 1, strong personality. A person with a strong personality does not put up with excuses and is not willing to listen to people wasting time whining, meaning crying, about what they can do. They would rather focus on what they can do and how they can overcome obstacles to do more. They never rely on other people. Number 2, having large number of friends and relatives. Having large number of friends and relatives, for that we have to be kind, helpful, affectionate, smiling, caring, faithful, gentle, humorous, etc. People automatically get attracted, that is drawn towards us, and our circle of friends and relatives naturally increase. Number 3, trust in others. Because your success or failure is often based on your relationships. Trusting someone means that you think they are reliable, you have confidence in them, and you feel safe with them physically and emotionally. Proper use of time during loneliness and with peer group. Loneliness is feeling sad and unhappy. It is felt because we have a low self-esteem and believe we are unworthy. We also lack confidence. One of the feelings millions of us are experiencing during the current coronavirus pandemic is loneliness. In our combined efforts to stay safe and save lives, our usual way of seeing family, friends, or just familiar faces have been on pause. We need to adapt how we connect with people and find new ways to stay in touch during this time, like video calls, making, WhatsApp chatting, or just phone calls. Peer group. It is a group of people of more or less same age, status, and interest. Influence of peer group can be positive or negative. Good peer groups have positive impact. This will help you to change yourself for the better. Adopting good habits of your peers can actually bring about positive change for the better. Number 5, respect and acceptance for others. It means you accept somebody for who they are. Respect in your relationships builds feelings of trust, safety, and well-being. Receiving respect from others is important because it helps us to feel safe and to express ourselves. Respect doesn't have to come naturally. It is something you learn. Respect is the glue that holds your relationships together.